Do you think you know every special perk you're entitled to on a cruise? You don't. The truth is, cruise lines are quietly holding back thousands of dollars in value and comfort that most seniors never claim. Cruise lines have started rolling out 10 brand new, exclusive benefits for travelers over 70, and they disappear the second you step on board if you haven't booked them correctly. Imagine it. You're waiting in the long check-in line, struggling with your luggage, paying extra for Wi-Fi, all while the passenger next to you is enjoying priority boarding, a free drink package, and a cabin upgrade. If you miss even one of these 10 secrets, you could be sailing on the exact same ship, paying hundreds more, and having a less comfortable trip than the savvy seniors who claim their benefits. Don't leave free money and comfort behind. Stick with me, because I'm revealing the 10 hidden perks you must claim in 2025. And trust me, number 4 is the one that cruise line agents secretly hate to give away. So let's get started. Perk number 1, the solo senior traveler's 50% penalty avoidance. The single supplement can crush a budget, making cruising unaffordable for many solo seniors. Even when lines offer special solo cabins, they book up instantly, leaving older travelers who planned ahead stuck paying a massive penalty. To beat this, you need to be strategic, book a solo guarantee, or check last-minute sailings. Specifically for solo travelers over 70, check popular lines like Cunard or Holland America approximately 60 days out. Cruise lines often drop the single supplement on unsold, less desirable inventory to fill the ship. This massive discount is missed by younger travelers who typically plan too far ahead. I heard from a veteran cruiser, Martha, who snagged a 12-day Mediterranean cruise for the price of a single occupancy, literally saving her over $3,000 just by calling her travel agent 45 days before sailing. She said, "It pays to be flexible and a little nosy." Perk number 2, guaranteed main dining room table and time. While flexible dining sounds great, many seniors prefer the stability of a fixed time and a consistent location. Waiting in a fluctuating line for a table or being seated with a new group of strangers every night can add unnecessary stress to your evening. The solution is simple. Ask the maitre d' immediately upon boarding for a consistent, small table for your party. This request eliminates waiting in line and, crucially, allows you to build rapport with your server. This relationship often leads to better service, off-menu requests, and complimentary treats. One cruiser told me their maitre d', after knowing their names for 2 nights, started having their favorite morning coffee order ready for them at dinner. It wasn't about the coffee, it was about the personalized, high-touch service that consistency creates. Perk number 3, complimentary mobility aids and equipment. Stop paying a rental company $100 a week to rent equipment. Seniors often assume they must pay for equipment like wheelchairs or shower aids. The reality is, many lines, notably Holland America and Princess Cruises, quietly maintain a limited inventory of complimentary aids such as wheelchairs for port days, shower stools, or raised toilet seats. Call the ship's access desk or special needs coordinator 60+ days before sailing to claim this perk. By calling ahead, you confirm these critical items are delivered and waiting in your cabin on embarkation day. A cruiser named Evelyn was thrilled when her requested shower stool was waiting for her. She said, "That simple piece of equipment made a $3,000 vacation relaxing instead of worrying about falling every morning. And it was absolutely free." Perk number 4, priority tendering. This is it, the one that cruise line agents secretly hate to give away. Tendering lines are notoriously brutal, involving long standstills, crowded walkways, and uneven transfers onto a smaller boat. This can be stressful, tiring, and even dangerous for seniors. To get VIP treatment, you must check the box for mobility assistance when you book. Alternatively, politely inform the crew manager at the gangway that you need assistance. This subtle flag, which simply notes you may need a steadying hand, often gets you ushered into the priority tendering group. You and your party will bypass the massive queues and be among the first on or off the ship. I saw a couple avoid a 45-minute line in Santorini just by mentioning they needed a little help with the steps. They were instantly taken to the front, and the entire queue parted for them. Perk number 5, The invisible cabin upgrade. Everyone wants more space, and the accessible staterooms are often 25% larger than standard cabins, with vastly superior roll-in bathrooms. The hidden perk is that these rooms are frequently the last to sell. If you are a senior cruiser, especially one with loyalty status, and you book a guarantee cabin, here's the trick. Contact the line's access desk 48 hours before sailing and ask to be considered for an accessible stateroom upgrade. They prioritize genuine mobility needs over general upgrades, often giving seniors a quiet, spacious cabin in a prime location without the added cost. A longtime cruiser shared that they once got a spacious balcony accessible cabin for the price of an interior cabin guarantee. It's all about phrasing your need correctly and at the right time. Perk number 6. Priority signups for onboard enrichment programs. While megaships boast roller coasters, the best cruise lines for seniors, like Viking and Holland America, focus on enrichment. However, the most popular classes, like the Daily Bridge Game or Watercolor class, fill up within hours of boarding. To avoid being locked out, you need priority access. Upon boarding, go directly to the activity desk and inquire about advanced sign-up sheets for these low-key, dedicated enrichment programs. Often, seniors who request this are given priority or even a reserve list spot before the general public is aware the events are starting, guaranteeing you a valuable social spot. A woman told me she got into an exclusive watercolor class that sold out instantly because she asked about it before the official daily newsletter even came out. She said, "The secret is knowing that the crew is often a day ahead of the guests." Perk number 7. Future cruise discount stacking. Many cruisers book their next trip while on board to get the reduced deposit and onboard credit. But here's the secret they miss. They assume one discount cancels out all the others. They fail to confirm that the new booking is combinable with other promotional rates they are entitled to as a senior. Visit the Future Cruise desk and explicitly ask to stack all eligible discounts. That new booking is almost always combinable with your existing senior rate and your future loyalty discounts. This stacking of perks, saving money today while guaranteeing future value, is the ultimate cruise travel hack for the long-term cruiser. One couple, using this trick, applied their book onboard credit, their senior rate discount, and a shareholder benefit to their next booking, resulting in a total savings of nearly 25% off the full brochure price. Perk number 8. Free, flexible laundry service. On premium and mainstream lines, the cost of laundry adds up quickly, forcing seniors to overpack or spend valuable vacation time washing clothes in the sink. The secret is the laundry package discount, especially on longer voyages. Seniors often sail on longer voyages of 10+ nights. Booking the unlimited package on day 1 is substantially cheaper than paying per piece. Alternatively, for loyalty members, a polite request to your attentive cabin steward, mentioning the length of your voyage, can sometimes yield a complimentary, one-time laundry bag service mid-cruise, using their own goodwill allowance. On a 14-day cruise, one gentleman politely asked his steward for a small favor on day 7, and the steward dropped off a complimentary, one-time use laundry bag. He saved over $80 and got his favorite shirts back crisp and clean. Perk number 9. The crew goodwill card. The most valuable perk isn't on a brochure, it's the crew. On a ship of thousands of passengers, it's easy to become anonymous. While the service is generally good, the cruiser who values personalized service may struggle to stand out. The solution is to be kind, patient, and use the crew's name. This intangible goodwill ensures they notice you. They will remember your preferred coffee, bring you an extra pillow, or, in high-demand areas like the lounge, they will reserve your favorite table when others are queuing. This ensures personalized, high-touch service that money can't buy. I personally witnessed a bartender who knew the names of an elderly couple hold 2 seats for them every night at the lounge window, even during the busiest hour. That personalized attention is priceless. Perk number 10. Tailored, gentle shore excursions. The default shore excursions are often high-impact, 10-hour bus tours that require extensive walking and a fast pace. This can lead to exhaustion and the disappointment of having to sit out activities. Ignore the standard tour list and look for the specific titles: gentle, panoramic, or leisurely. These tailored excursions prioritize your well-being. They minimize walking, often providing curb-to-attraction transportation and frequent rest stops. They ensure you still see the destination and its highlights without the physical strain of keeping up with the crowd. A cruiser told me that gentle panoramic tour of Rome was perfect. They saw all the major sights from the comfort of a special coach and had designated short photo stops, avoiding the 4-mile walking tour their friends took. They said, "We saw more, and our knees didn't hurt." A true win-win. So there you have it, the 10 hidden cruise perks that separate the rookie senior traveler from the seasoned cruise pro. From skipping the lines at tendering to getting more space in your cabin, and even saving thousands on your next booking. These benefits are available to you, but you have to know to ask for them. Use this information to claim the comfort, value, and VIP treatment that you have truly earned. Now you know the secret of number 4, priority tendering, and the 9 other hacks that guarantee a stress-free voyage. If you found these cruise tips valuable, hit the like button and subscribe. Now go book that next accessible cruising adventure and sail smarter. Until next time, take care and happy cruising.